Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of the new Yytw ransomware that is currently targeting many Windows computers. Frankly speaking, I am not sure what the name of this ransomware is, but this video is only for the demonstration and educational purposes. This file I got on the virus total database. So my video is only for researching and for educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware. I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video I will show you how damaging this ransomware is. So before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. And then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data because of this ransomware. So the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a certain ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. So you can now clearly see that the name of this ransomware is Yytw. I'm trying to open this specific file and I cannot open these files. They all have this Yytw extension appended to the file names, and it is impossible to use such files anymore. The ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for recovery, but there is no guarantee that the files would be restored even if you pay the ransom. So don't waste your money, don't pay that ransom. What I recommend you to do urgently is remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. So download it, install the program, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on this Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature, but it doesn't decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. Combo Cleaner, however, will help you to effectively detect and then to remove this ransomware and to protect your data with this anti-ransomware feature. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats. By the way, we recommend that you consider premium license. You can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate its features. And in the description to this video you will find a special link which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.